one thing, bro. I mean, Northside is not here, but we can start the war. I mean, we can start the war, bro, man. I mean, I saw your guy. I saw your friend. Yeah, I mean, I do watch your shows, and CFRs, I respect you 100%. I respect your person. But, bro, man, you have to answer for the crimes of I mean, your brother by affiliation. I mean, after that game, yeah, which is supposed to be a game between two rivalry, rival football teams. I saw Side, yeah, I mean, there was an AFTV thing going on. I applaud him for that. But I mean, man was on all smiles. After a game ends in your own turf.
Wow, what you're seeing.
After a game ends in your own turf, 1-1 against one of your biggest rivals in the league, and man is smiling outside. Bro, it was all smiles. Why are you all smiles? Bro, I saw other Man United fan channels, man are doing dancing turns and twerking all over the... Bro, what is going on? What has happened to Manchester United? And throw all that away. Just a couple of hours before then, your chairman was sitting on a hot seat on overlap saying that you guys are fucking broke. And you, man, they are there dancing, clapping, having a last hurrah for a 1-1 draw against Arsenal? Come on, man. You have to be kidding me, man. Where's the freaking... Bro, where is the standard? Bro, where is the justice for Man United fans, man? But, I mean, I'm just saying, Falls, man. I know you're a balanced guy, but I want to hear you defend your way out of this, man, because... Bro, that was some caramba thing I saw with Saeed, man. I mean, I know I'm not a big guy, but I would have loved to have a one-on-one with Saeed, man. Why smiling, bro?
Listen,
outside Old Trafford.
Saying all this, you're an Arsenal fan, aren't you?
Bro, of course, bro. True.
You're saying all this because really and truly, deep down, you're embarrassed and you're hurt. You're embarrassed and you're hurt that you couldn't defeat Manchester United when they're so bad, and actually they're in their worst time of their history. That's why you're attacking like the way you are. You've asked me to defend my team today. I am not here to defend, actually. You were supposed to attack. That's what you were supposed to do. You were supposed to attack in Old Trafford and beat us, but you failed to. You failed. That's the important thing in this conversation. You were supposed to win, but you failed. If you want to do the typical Arsenal fan, shall we do the typical Arsenal fan thing? We had the same expected goals, innit? XG. 1.16, 1.61. Pretty much same. But you had what? 30% more possession than us?
We had 68% of the ball possession. You had about 32. Bro, that's in your turf. That's your home turf.
Yes. So you,
bro, that's Old Trafford. Bro, come on, man. You have to keep the same energy, man. Always, they always say that. When it's a rivalry, yeah, that it has to be. I mean, all form goes out the window. But with this one, yeah, with the energy you've just come in here to talk right now, you're not saying why didn't we win? So what happened to form goes out the window? I mean, when it comes to Arsenal, yeah, why don't you people always keep the same energy when it comes to Arsenal? I know my manager is, I mean, bro, man, is the craziest manager I've seen. That man is a madman. But I mean, bro, in face of, I mean, when I'm facing enemy lines, bro, I'm gonna defend my team to the latter. You guys are broke. Your team can't play. You considered about 40 goals this season. Bro, in 28 games, you're useless. And then you come out there and produce a stinker in your own home turf, keeping a low block. Bro, come on, man. At the end of the day, you had strikers. At the end of the day, you had Zexi. At the end of the day, you see Janacho down there. Bro, I played Manchester United on home turf without any strikers.
Game. And your team cheered when it was corner kicks. You had to pray. We had you on ropes. Let's not forget. Raya literally saved your ass. We ended up putting one nail in your coffin anyways with the FA Cup, yeah? And the other nail, we put it in the league because now you ain't winning the league. You were done out in the league anyways, but now all your hopes and dreams are crushed. You're a bottle job and you're never going to win any European trophy. And Man United, in the dire mist of being borderline relegated, peppered you. In the cup and in the league. You have one game over us, which is at your ground. One game. You have one game in this season over us. Arsenal Football Club, the great Arsenal Football Club, Mikel Arteta has one game over Man United in phase 5, while being 13 positions above Manchester United. Has one game to showcase and boast about. Well, we're so done, we're so out. Guess what? You have to look down when you talk to us. Because you can do all this big talk against the big teams, but West Ham humbled you. Man United humbled you. We know exactly our
those are boogie teams. Those are boogie teams. Those are boogie teams. But again, this same boogie team smashed you up.
No, we have a mixture of
this same boogie team smashed you up.
The players from
this same boogie team smashed you up. Brighton smashed you up.
So
lots of teams have smashed you up at home. Yeah, but again, this is a rivalry. You've forgotten that. Form goes out the window. It's Arsenal versus Man United. Form goes out the window. So if you decide to keep a low block at home,
defend my team.
Good and okay.
Very bad. My team is very bad. My organization is very bad. And I'm praying and I'm hoping that Man United can one day become, the juggernaut that it used to be. But you should be thankful that we're not. Actually, you should thank me. You should thank me right now that it was only a 1-1. Because easily the amount of chances we had in that game, it could have been 3-4-1. Easy.
So we're gonna sit down here and say Arsenal didn't have any chances in the first half.
So what did you
Are you gonna say no, seriously, bro. No, seriously, bro. Are we gonna sit down here and act as if in the first half Arsenal didn't cook in the first half? No, I hear you if you say, bro, I hear you if you say in the second half that you guys got clear-cut chances. I hear you. So you're gonna sit down there, brother, you just finished praying. Brother, are you gonna sit down there and say, we didn't cook in the first half? If Arsenal did have strikers, bro, in that first half, you guys would be down at least. Bro, at the end of that first half, I was wondering why Arsenal wasn't 3-0 up.
Boring first half I've seen in Old Trafford in a long
Oh my days, bro. Come on, man.
So boring. So boring.
No, I know it's boring, sideways pass it, but bro, I don't have it. Bro, do you know what I came to Old Trafford with? With no strikers. At least you had the luxury of having Zexi. I had the luxury of Merino. Bro, that guy can't enter into my midfield. That's the Karamba I had down there.
What did they
in my number 9? And you're happy. You're done. Bro, I didn't see you laugh because, bro, I mean, I've seen your shows. I do like your person, man. And you do lots of shows with Sahid. Sahid is a great guy. But, I mean, it laughed outside Old Trafford and it hurts me, bro. It hurts me, bro. Because I'm like, where are your own standards? I mean, you enjoying other. I mean, he talks to Northside. He does shows with other Arsenal fans. And he's trying to say, hey, where are your standards? But where are your own standards when you're laughing outside Old Trafford after a 1-1 draw? Why are you smiling? Where are your own standards?
That is my standard now. That's why I'm smiling. I don't understand what you're doing. You're thinking, in my head that Man United are still the big team. You guys do that. That's why you never end up winning the league or anything in Europe. Because you keep thinking you're a big team. No humility within your own voice. You're asking me to be like, oh, where's my standard? Bro, my standard is coming out. We have a player like Alejandro Garnacho in our club. We have Rasmus Højlund in our club. We have Andre Onana in my club. Do you think I can have any shame and standard coming and talking to Thingy? I remember I told Hooks before the Arsenal game, I said, we're going to have, even in the midst of all of this, we're just going to turn up in big games. Northside knows this as well. I think I told him before FA Cup game, we turn up in big games against Arsenal. It's just what it is. But Arsenal fans, they say, oh, we're this, we're that. Brother, you didn't turn up with a striker. That sounds like a you problem, not me. I ain't complained that Kobe Mino wasn't available. I ain't complained that Amad Diallo wasn't available. Not once did you hear me say Martinez wasn't available. I didn't complain once. I did not even tell you, oh my God, I had Lindelof on the pitch. I had Christian Eriksen on the pitch in 22. I've not told you any of this once. I just said it was Man United is finished, but guess what? You still have to look down when you talk to us because out of 3 games in the season, 2 of them we have over you. Simple. It's as simple as that. Factually, it's as simple as that. Performance aside.
No, factually, but we did that to you factually last season. We beat you home and away last season, man.
Yeah.
We beat you home and away. So what, bro, so we're going to just throw away the history? We're going to just throw away the history? No, so because you beat me in the FA Cup this season, and you want and you drew again. And that's what I'm saying. What are your own standards? What are your own personal standards? Bro, you're having the last hurrah like Daily Sports.
My own
standards. What is this?
I got further in the FA Cup than you.
And you got beaten in the next round. Bro, what is this, bro? Yes, you got beaten in the next round of the same FA Cup you dumped me out of. Come on, bro. What are you dancing about?
I'll tell you, my own standard is I got further forward in FA Cup than you. That's one. I have more European heritage than you. That's two. I sacked a manager that got me 2 trophies. You know, if you want trophies, I can call him for you if you'd like. You know, that's my standards. And Ruben doesn't perform, he will also get sacked. We are not like you. We don't do all of this process and believe in, you know, till death do us apart. This is not no married at first sight.
See, man. See, you know what? You know what? Yeah, you know what? Yeah, because I personally, you know, I've been watching your shows. Most of you inside, you guys have been doing a lot of shows, and I really do think that Manchester United position right now are down to you and Saeed and some certain fan base like you.
Listen,
you know, I mean, you guys were in the fight to get out the manager who still gave you trophies when you were, I mean, in your worst state.
In that case,
brother, right now I'm just saying you guys are not just only broke, that the ceilings and the jacuzzis are not just leaky. Bro, come on, man. Bro, that the staffs can't even eat food. Bro, come on, man. Think of everything nasty, yeah, and not eating, yeah. At Manchester United, it's there. Roaches, bro. Northside, are you gonna sit down there and ask us if you didn't hear that roaches and rodents are all over Manchester United and bro, their fan base are cooking us in on an national channel, and bro, will listen to this, bro. What is this? What is this? In a club where rodents run free, run wild. Bro, come on, man. Don't do this, man. Don't do this, bro.
How did it feel when you watched Aid in Heaven fist pump and cheer the crowd? A former Arsenal graduate.
That hurt, bro. That hurt, bro. That hurt, man.
It's so evident that how hurt you are. You know that you're coming out lashing and crashing right now. That's what's happened here. You are so
I mean you were in the fight for this Amorim manager, but look at what he has done. Nothing. Useless, bro. Useless. Can't even beat Arsenal without a striker. Come on, bro. I mean, you guys lay your bets. Lie on it.
So you needed one player, a striker. You desperately needed one player. I didn't need 3-4 players to get a draw. Imagine I had my 3-4 players. Imagine, and that's not even players from outside. That's just players who are injured. Imagine I had those players, and I'm not making no excuses about injury. I'm not.